Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to make a column value into uppercase and in lowercase. We have to keep in our mind that the value should be alphabetic, not numerical. Then we can convert it into the either uppercase or lowercase. It's very easy and simple. So first, if I want to see the values into uppercase, then I have to use the upper formula. But before that, let's check the value in column 1. I have some values which are capital, small, capital and small both here as well and here as well, but I would like to see in same format. I mean either capital letter or small letter. So let's see first the capital letter. So for this I will use upper formula, then a parenthesis, and then I can select the whole column or the target row. Let's do with one single row. A parenthesis is closed, enter. Then select this. Well, we don't know whether it has converted or not because it is also capital, so just we would like to see the other values underneath, and then select this row, then drag and drop all the values, drag and drop the area until the last value. Then we can see that all the values are already transformed into uppercase. Similarly, lowercase is with LOWE or first the parenthesis, and then select the first row, and then a parenthesis closed. Then I can see that the formula worked because it is already converted into the lowercase from uppercase. And then similarly select this row and then drag and drop until to the last value. So we can see that the upper value and lower value. We have to keep in our mind that we have to keep practicing all the formulas. Otherwise we are not able to keep memorizing. Thank you.